Coach Taranjeet Singh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all my viewers. I hope all of you are doing well. Friends, today we are going to discuss why do we need a life coach. हम आप कुछ दिनों से हमारे वीडियोस को फॉलो कर रहे होंगे regarding our solution focus coaching program. But the most important thing is, why do we need it? Friends, have you ever noticed any great company, organization, institute or a top Forbes personalities like business achievers? All of these things are not effort of a single person. These all organizations or institutes are formed by the collective team effort. We need a companion to continuously discuss our strategies according to the changing circumstances. We need a companion, we need a teammate with whom we can discuss what we should do next to achieve our goals. It doesn't matter whether he is of your field or not. It doesn't matter a coach. You might be an entrepreneur into an IT company, and when you hire a coach, it doesn't matter that the coach should also be of the IT background. But the matter of the fact is, he doesn't know your business, but he knows you. He knows your strength and weakness. So he pushes you when you are dying out of motivation to take further steps, to move one step more. He pushes you when you are exhausted. He asks you powerful questions who nobody has asked you. So friends, whatever you do, you need a coach to push you, to motivate you, to guide you in your journey towards your goal. So if you feel like you have any goals and you are stuck at some or other point, you can contact us or subscribe our channel, that is www.coachtaranjeetsingh.com, and together we will sit and discuss your life goals and strategies and work on it. Okay, thank you. Take care.